All right, welcome back, subscriber. Thanks for joining me once again. This week I want to go over my $100 a month portfolio and just show in real time what can be done when $100 is put into an account consistently on a monthly basis and how it grows. So I hope you join me on this journey. We've all seen the 5, 6, 7 figure YouTube investment accounts, and those are great. It's great to see how much they're making, in dividends every week, every month, what have you. But when you're first starting out, those numbers just seem so unobtainable. I'm going to start this. You've also seen the graphs where if you start at this age and you put X number of dollars into an account, 40 years from now, this is what it's going to look like. And again, 40 years from now, it's just hard to picture that. So let's do this journey and watch this grow. Like any journey, the most difficult part is just going to take those first steps. In the portfolio, I am just going to have a max of 3 holdings, maybe 4 if I get some feedback on it, but definitely not more than 4. If we're looking at this $100 a month, that's only $1,200 a year at 4 holdings. That's honestly, $300 per holding, that's not even enough to get half a share of Tesla. No more than 4 holdings, period. That's it. As you can see, I started with my first holding here, which is going to be VOO. Take a look at the VOO. Like I said, Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. It invests in stocks in the S&P 500 index, representing 500 of the largest U.S. companies. As just a nice solid base, this will do. As you can see, it's a little bit on the higher risk side, but my risk tolerance is pretty high. Yours may not be as high. So if we come back over here to M1, basically how this is going to be run, you can see I've got a cash balance of $150, which is $100 to open the account, and then on the 1st and 15th, I'm going to deposit $50 into the account. I'll have auto invest turned on, and I'm just going to let M1 distribute the funds. Unlike my other portfolio, when I add another holding on here, all funds are going to just be evenly distributed. When I add, second one will be 50%, the third 33%, and if and when I do a fourth, they'll all be 25%. So what can you do along this journey? Well, after hitting the subscribe and like button, of course, you can open your own M1 account and just get started. That's the point. You gotta get started. If you're not sure where to make your first investment, you can do like I did. I had auto invest turned off, just getting the cash in there, just getting the rhythmic deposits in there, getting them going. Once I found the first security I wanted to start with, added it to my pie, turned auto invest. Come Monday morning, M1 is going to buy $150 worth of VOO. If you don't take any steps towards changing growth today, you'll be in the same stagnant place tomorrow. So please get started. If you're unsure where to start, thousands of securities to choose from, do like I did. This is not a recommendation. I'm not a financial advisor, but pick a broad market sector ETF, which is fairly low risk. And if you want to go the individual stock route, start your research on dividend kings and dividend aristocrats. They are all a good place to start building a solid foundation for your portfolio. If you happen to find this video through the almighty algorithm, if you happen to find this video before February 28th of 2021, M1's currently running a $30 referral sign-up bonus, which means if you open an account using my link down in the description, you will get $30 just for signing up after you deposit your initial $100 deposit. So deposit $100, get $30, instant 30% return. Look at you. savvy investor beating the market. M1 is also running a promotion for a free year of M1 Plus. I signed up for it. I'm currently an M1 Plus member, and the only reason is because it's free. Honestly, I don't think it's worth it. Otherwise, I don't really care about the afternoon trading window because I usually deposit my money sometime in the evening after work, and I do my purchases in the morning. I'm not worried. Long-term investor, I just buy and hold. So the two trading windows, it's not really a significant plus for me. So what if you can't afford the $100 a month? That's fine. You know, get the $100, open the account, get started. Then, you know, try to commit to $75 a month, $50 a month. You know, $50 a month is only $12.50 a week. Not that much money. If you can't do 50, try $25 a month. If you can't find $25 a month in your budget, seriously, you need to get down to the thrift store, buy a mirror for a quarter, and do some serious self-reflection. 25 bucks. I don't believe in putting every penny into the market. That's one of the pushbacks I get from friends when I'm telling them they need to start investing. They want to live their best life, you know. So I tell them, live your best life. Supersize that lunch. Buy some art. Buy those nice shoes. But set aside some funds for investing.
We could try selling liquor. I'm doing great.
Please, sir, put some shoes on.
What, you don't like my bags?
YOLO. If you do your research and commit to it, the stock market has a lot of benefits you can take advantage of. In the stock market, it doesn't care about your zip code. It doesn't care about your age, your race, your political leanings, or your identity. It only cares if you invest wisely and consistently. I hope you join me on this journey. Let's see what $100 a month can do starting from zero in January. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. I'm going to set up a playlist for the $100 a month portfolio, so you'll get the notifications whenever a deposit goes in there and I do a buy and I make a new video. I've already got my other two securities picked out that I want to add, but I first want to get this initial buy done with M1, and then as I start adding the $50 on the 1st and 15th, I will grow those other two positions. All right, thanks again.